Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious steak sandwich, and this is the bread that I'll be using. It's a ciabatta bun, and I'm going to toast it up first before I sear off the steak. I don't have a cast iron skillet, so make sure you use one if you have one at home, but the regular skillets work just as fine for me anyway. So this is the spice that I'll be using on the steak. It's the Brazilian Steakhouse. It's like $1.50 in the grocery store. I love those little packet things because I don't really need the big jars of them. I don't use them a lot, but when I make a good steak, I like to use this season because it's good. It has everything in it: the garlic, the pepper, the salt. But I still add some more salt on here since we're not making a sauce for this, like for like steak and mashed potatoes, you make a sauce on the side. I'm not doing that today, but I am going to make a sauce for the sandwich. So this is what it looks like, nice and seasoned. I'm using a ribeye, but you already know. You can use your favorite cut of steak and you're good to go. For the sauce, I'm going to use some mayo. It's like a sweet, spicy, savory sauce. I'm going to use some mayo, some sriracha, some of this chutney. Y'all know I love this stuff. It's so good. If you don't see this brand in your grocery store, there's plenty of other brands. Like any supermarket, the poorest of the poor, richest of the rich has this chutney or this preserve. So you're good to go. I'm going to finish this off with some salt, pepper, and lime juice for that little zing, because mayo and that preserve brings nothing. Like, they taste good, but they don't bring like that, So I'll put some lime juice to pick it up, and that's the sauce. To my butter, I'm using butter because I didn't have oil. Y'all, the way I just be cooking and making recipes and not having all my ingredients together and in order, I just make it work. Listen, I make it work. But look how gorgeous, beautiful, and crusted that steak is. I cooked it for about 5 minutes on each side because I'm not cooking it all the way done. Remember to cook the steak to your preferred doneness, but I think today, on this day, I cooked it to, it was about a medium. It was about a medium. And so that's pretty much what I did. But you guys already know, cook it to your desired doneness and you're good to go. So if you want it well done, I'll say probably pop it in the oven for 10 minutes after you sear both sides. Or less done, it's like 4 minutes per side. All right, so now I'm just gonna slice it up so you guys can see. Please ignore my dull knife. Y'all, ever since I became a mom, I have not been able to update my kitchen, my utensils, my anything. Like, I've just been on go, you guys. But this fall, your girl is coming through, okay? So if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you could catch all the festivities later this year. So this is what the steak looks like. Like I said, it's not all the way done at all. It's nice and juicy and perfect. I did let it rest for at least 10 minutes. That's like one of the most important parts of making a steak. It has to rest, you guys. Do not cut your steak right away. Minimum 10 minutes. Minimum. And that's the bare minimum. 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna put the sandwich together. First, the toasted ciabatta bun, and then you're gonna put some Swiss. Today I'm using spinach because of the fatty steak, of course, yada yada. You can use whatever lettuce you want, but I'm using spinach. I wish I had some rocket lettuce. That would have been amazing here. I'm gonna season the tomatoes. They come with nothing. Okay, you work really hard on your steak, so you need salt and pepper on your tomatoes. Just like I'm doing here. Next, I'm gonna add my perfect, beautiful steak down on top of the tomatoes. Look how delicious this looks, and we're not even done. Now, I've made a steak sandwich before where the steak and the cheese was actually melted together, but that's not what I'm doing today. This is just a regular old sandwich that can be eaten hot, warm, or cold. And so that's why I put the cheese on there like this, as well as some pepperoncini peppers, some more Swiss, and then the top bun. And that's the sandwich. I'm definitely going to be making this sandwich again because it's filling, it's delicious. You can pack it up and bring it to the park because, like I said, it's great even cold. I'm actually going to have another half of this for dinner while, while it's cold. I'm not even going to heat it up. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. I hope you try this sandwich out. If you do, tag me and let me know what you think. And I'll catch you on my next video. Look how perfect this looks. I mean, let's go. If you make it, make sure you tag me on social media. Love you guys. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.